Good morning student. Welcome back in social science class chapter 3, that is region of the world. Now student, in previous video we were discuss about the polar region and temperate grassland. So in temperate grassland we studied about the North America. Here is prairies grassland, pampas in South America and valley in Africa. Now in this time we are studying about the desert. Desert, Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, Rubal Khali. It is a desert name in the Saudi Arabia, Rubal Khali. Now desert is the emphatic water. It means it belongs to torrid zone. Deserts are dry areas with very little rainfall and very little or no vegetation. They may be hot or they may be cold. And now here climate is most of Saudi Arabia is in the torrid zone and is covered by desert. Temperatures are high during the day and very low at night. Sometimes there is no rain for several years due to lack of water. That's why we are saying like desert, because here is no rainfall. Saudi Arabia has developed technology to remove salt from sea water and make it suitable for drinking. Sandstorms are quite common here, and sandstorm we call it Lu. Now student, nature. Plants that grow here have long roots that grow deep into the soil in search of water. Animals such as camel, jackal, foxes live here. They can survive on very little water and food. Oasis. Oasis is the only fertile part of a desert and is formed when underground water comes up to the surface to form a water body. Many people live near an oasis. People. Rice, meat and different kinds of bread are the staple food of the people of Saudi Arabia. Staple food means होता है सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जाने वाला खाना. It is staple food. Oil drilling is a major occupation here. People here wear flowing clothes that are provide protection from hot desert winds and sandstorms. Name a desert in India and the state is belongs to. So right here desert belongs to India. It is Thar desert. It is in Rajasthan. It is pack on 3.3. After that go on page number 36. Equatorial forest or tropical forest lies around the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Equatorial forest और ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट. इक्वेटर फॉरेस्ट इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि ये इक्वेटर पर है. इक्वेटर के बोथ साइड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न में. क्लाइमेट हियर इज द डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो इज इन अफ्रीका. It is located in the torrid zone. A large part of this country is covered by forest. Why here is forest? It is a reason. The climate in Congo is pleasant with bright sunshine in the mornings and very high temperature in the afternoon. This is followed by heavy rainfall. That's why a large part of this country is covered by forest. This is followed by heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning in the evening, making the nights cool. So we are studying about the Democratic Republic of Congo is in Africa. Nature. The forests here are evergreen. Why it is evergreen? Evergreen because of heavy rainfall. Trees remain green throughout the year. Teak, mahogany, ebony, bamboo, banana, plantain, palm tree, coconut palm, coca plant and rosewood are some trees found here. Gorillas, parrots, cuckoos, sunbirds and herons are commonly found here. These are the name of the plant, also a name of the animals. It means fauna and along with hippopotamus, elephants, buffaloes, leopards, poisonous snakes, insects and flies is also belongs to these forests. Which forest is this? It is a evergreen forest found in Democratic Republic of Congo. People. Pygmies, some of the shortest people of Earth live here. They are usually only about 120 centimeters tall. Their heights help them move about easily in thick forest. Maize, bananas, groundnut, cassava or capica are found in plenty here. People dry the roots of the cassava plants and grind them into flour to make bread, which is their staple food. सबसे ज़्यादा काम आने वाला अनाज है ये. इसे ग्राइंड करके पीस के फिर काम लिया जाता है. Most people hunt fish and gather berries, nuts, fruits, honey and roots. People in the forest wear light cloth to suit the warm, humid weather. Now students, in this chapter, we will study about the frigid zone, temperate zone and torrid zone. So, in first, we will study about the polar region, Greenland. It is belongs to frigid zone. After that, temperate grassland. In temperate grassland, we will study about the which grassland is there? Three grassland, na? Prairies, North America, Pampas in South America and Valley in Africa. After that, we studied about the desert, Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, Rab Al Khali desert is there and Thar desert in Rajasthan. Equatorial forest found in torrid zone and on the equator. That's why its name is equator forest. And now students, after that, we are going on page number 37. Refer to the gorilla fact filed at the beginning of the lesson. We studied about that in previous video about the gorilla. Zubi her name is Zubi. Which reason do you think would suit Zubi the most? Take your response. आपके अकॉर्डिंग कौन सा रीजन, कौन सा क्षेत्र उसके लिए सुटेबल है जुबी के लिए? आपको अपना रिस्पॉन्स देना है. फर्स्ट पोलर रीजन, टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड, डेजर्ट एंड फोर्थ इज इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट. ओके, नाउ गिव द आंसर. फर्स्ट यू थिंक एंड देन गिव द आंसर. देन पेज नंबर 38. Zubi is now back home in the forest. In the space provided, draw a happy Zubi at home. So what we are doing here, Zubi is now back home in the forest. In the space provided, draw a happy Zubi at home. So draw the diagram here belongs to Zubi. Zubi is, who is Zubi? Zubi is gorilla, female gorilla. And draw a picture belongs to her. Complete an activity on equatorial forest. Which of the four reasons would you like to live in? Why? Which of the four reasons would you like to live in? फोर रीजन बताने हैं जहां पर आप रहना पसंद करते हैं और क्यों. और इन प्रीवियस वीडियो रीजन मीन्स कंट्री एंड सिटीज and so many things. So which of the four reasons would you like to live in? Why? Then after go on page number 39. Fill in the given table with details of different reason. Reason is desert. Food. Which food is found there in desert? Clothing. People wear this type of cloth here. And occupation. Then temperate grassland. Prairies in North America. Food. Clothing, occupation. In polar region, it means frigid zone, Greenland, food, clothing and occupation. Equatorial forest, Democratic Republic of Congo, food, clothing and occupation. Now student, one thing, if you have any type of problem regarding activities, then all discuss in doubt class. Doubt class only for you. First of all students open your book in doubt class and pencil in your hand and write the answer and discuss to me. Okay, so we move in the same page, the 39. Match the animal with their corresponding reason. Animal, parrot, cuckoo. Reason, temperate grassland, equatorial forest, desert and polar region. Then whale and reindeer. Temperate grassland, equatorial forest, desert and polar region. Rabbit and rattlesnake. It is temperate grassland, equatorial, desert and polar region. Fox and jackal is the same. So match the animal with their corresponding reason. It means animals को मैच करना है जहाँ पर वो पाए जाते हैं, उन क्षेत्रों से मैच करना है. After that, page number 40. Third question is the lifestyle of people the same across different regions? Explain. What is the question? Is the lifestyle of people the same across different regions? Explain. सेम लाइफस्टाइल होती है लोगों की, हर क्षेत्र की सेम लाइफस्टाइल है, आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है यस और नो करके कि सेम होती है नहीं होती है. एक्सप्लेन. कैन अ पोलर बेयर live in an equatorial forest? Why? Give reason for your answer. Now what is the question is, can a polar bear live in an equatorial forest? Give reason for your answer. आपको आंसर देना है कि क्या पोलर बेयर इक्वेटोरियल फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं, क्यों? गिव रीजन फॉर योर आंसर. रीजन बताना है आपको आंसर का. डिफरेंट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस मेक अप द रीजन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. People, animals and plants adapt to their surroundings in these regions of the world. Different climatic condition. हर जगह की, हर रीजन की अपनी क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन है, जलवायु है. मेक अप द रीजन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. पीपल, एनिमल, प्लांट्स, वहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं, जो जानवर वहाँ पाए जाते हैं, एनिमल्स वहाँ फाउंड होते हैं, वहाँ पे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो अपनी एनवायरनमेंट को अडाप्ट कर लेते हैं और इसी वजह से वो जिंदा रह पाते हैं. और चाहे वो पीपल हो, चाहे एनिमल्स हो, चाहे प्लांट्स हो, तो अडेप्शन करने के बाद ही वो सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं. सो डिफरेंट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन मेक अप द रीजन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. People, animals and plants adapt to their surroundings in these regions of the world. Now think I have learned. Complete the mind. Regions of the world है, एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है, डेजर्ट है सऊदी अरेबिया. सो इन फर्स्ट में ग्रासलैंड, इट इज इन फ्रीजिड जोन. ग्रासलैंड where it is in frigid zone or it is in temperate zone. Grassland always in temperate zone. Okay, give the answer like this. And if you have any problem, then discuss to me your book activity in doubt class. Thank you student for listening me. Thank you so much.